Here's a great reflection of the last 5 years. Trump doing his thing, buying everything, getting all the gold, getting all new buildings and shit. Y'all looking all ratchet, and he paying for all of it. He just ain't paying for the damn security. Just says zero of the taxpayers paying for that building, but they gonna pay for that security because they be hating on Trump. Why would he pay for their security with all that hate? That's why everybody getting shot up and shot at because of this political violence. Everybody tripping. Because he almost been shot now 3 times, shit, or he been shot. And that's gonna help the next president and all them other Democrats. It's gonna help both sides, so stop hating.